So we've come outside to film this absolute beast of a bag to show you. We're taking a look at this season. This is another bag from Lomo, Lomo.co.uk. This is the 60 litre dry bag Holdall. Now, as you can see, it's an absolute whopper, and it comes in a 60 litre size, a 40 litre size, or a 30 litre size in this fluorescent colour, or indeed in black. What we particularly like about it so far is it has got an absolutely massive opening. There's the shoulder strap in there. Now you're going to have no problem in getting your gear in that. I think I could just about get in it, I think. It's a roll top seal, so there are no zips to break. So it's very simple. You pop your stuff in and then you roll it over, and it all clips down the side here as well. So the beauty of these roll top bags are that they're waterproof and dustproof. It's got carrying handles on it, as well as the shoulder strap that I showed you on the side. I apologise for the RAF flying over here, but this is real world stuff. The good thing about this as well, you'll be pleased to know, it's only £33. Now they do a whole host of other luggage, rucksacks, dry bags, you name it. It's worth having a look. Lomo.co.uk. Now I'm just going to show you what this is like when it's rolled up ready to go, so bear with me for a second. There it is. It's all rolled up, ready to go, strapped down at the side, waterproof and dustproof. In terms of its waterproofness, we are going to be putting that to a bit of a test, so have a look at the end of this video because you'll see then. Now it's massive, as you can see. It's nearly filling this bench, so if you've got a rack on the back of your bike and no pillion, this is going to bungee on there very nicely, and you're going to get a lot of stuff for your journey on here in that bag for sure. So check the rest of the video, see how waterproof it is. Time for a bit of waterproof testing action now, with the help of this, the bags, and a couple of loo rolls. We're going to put a loo roll on each of the bags, give them a good dousing, shake the loo rolls around inside, and then open up and see if any of them have got anything moisture-like on them. Let's go for it. Right, loo roll number 1, loo roll number 2. We'll get these two sealed up. Right, we're ready to rock and roll. It's on. Gentle rain time. Bit of driving spray now. Got a bit of a storm coming on. Okay, see what we've got. We're going to shake the loo rolls up inside these now, shaking them about, obviously pick up any moisture that's in there. Let's do that. Ooh, it's tough filming this on your own. Okay, Let's get them open. Okay, here's the first one. And we have a very dry loo roll. I'm going to put my wet fingers into the middle, fish it out. That's bone dry. No wet bum for me tomorrow. Let's try the other one. And another dry loo roll. Out she comes on. Yeah. I think it's fair to say that these two bags from Lomo are indeed waterproof. Now, I'm going to stick them on the seats over there to dry out in the warm sun.